going drifting again. It's just another day at the local track in Cedar Rapids. So it's just going to be fun, open driving, no competition, which sometimes that's a good thing. You can just have a lot of fun with all the friends and not be stressed about competition. But this is a very important event for testing the car. We've got the rebuilt engine. We need to see if that's going to work and how it's going to hold up. I've also put BC shocks in the rear because my old eBay shocks were blown out and basically doing nothing. So we've made a few changes, need to test them all out, make sure everything works good, get the car dialed in, and then hopefully next month we'll be going to the North Dakota Formula Drift Pro-Am event. But first things first, we got to get the car loaded, head to Cedar Rapids, which is about 2 hours away, and do some driving. Ice! I probably should have checked my tire pressures.
The very first run.
It was ice, dude. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Yeah, just chuck that over there.
Final sender. She seems to be running good, yeah.
Holy
You faster than I thought you were going to, for sure.
yeah.
Because that entry last time we did the first one, it was spinning out on that.
Oh yeah, it had no grip. It was straight ice.
I just flew and just kept going. Damn.
Well, let me lower the pressures, make sure this thing latches, which probably not going to happen.
Can you crawl through and ratchet drive it down?
That's what I was thinking. We'll do something. Alright, first lap out with the BCs, and it did not have as much grip as I was expecting. So yeah, we hit the wall. We hit it real good. Trunk won't latch, so got it ratchet strapped down and went out and did a bunch more laps. The engine's running great, the car's running great. I am still overflowing the oil catch can with this new catch can I put on, so got to figure out what's going on there and fix that problem, but otherwise the car runs good. And yeah, that quarter was already hit pretty good before, nothing to this extent, but I was already considering putting a body kit on it, so now we're definitely going to put a body kit on it. We'll chop the whole back half off, do a tube rear, and do a Big Duck Club whole fiberglass rear end replacement, which they make for these cars, which is super cool. But that'll probably be a project for the off season. When I get it home, I'll put it on a frame machine and try to pull it as straight as I can, maybe get the trunk to latch, but it'll just have to do for the rest of this year. Yeah, it sucks, but that's drifting. So anyways, we're gonna throw some tires on and go do more laps. There's no comp today, it's just a fun day, so we're just hanging out, having a good time, and burning tires.
for now until we figure this shit out. Goes into a limp mode. It'll drive, but like I'll clutch kick it and it's just like this thing. Wonder if I have to look at my throttle body, but it idles down so fast it'll stall. I have to make sure I flip it when that's a lot of smoke. There's a lot of things it could be at this point. It sounds like it's long compression. When I start it, it sounds really weird.
We're back home. In that last clip, you heard me talking about all the smoke that was coming out of the car, and you could probably see it in the cabin. Basically, there was a ton of smoke just pouring out of the exhaust. So I pulled it back up to the trailer, did a compression test. The compression test was not good. So I was hoping it was just a head gasket. I've got it home now. I tore apart the engine. This is weeks in the future, and I can tell you it was not the head gasket. It was much worse. But you guys are going to have to stay tuned for the next video to find out what the actual problem was. Until next time, we'll see you then.